moved the van because this tree is making popping noises and cracking noises. I can understand cracks and pops from dead branches, but that don't look good. It looks like it was struck by lightning, and if this thing were to fall, the van was right here, but we put the van over here for now, and I don't know which way this thing would fall if it were to fall, but it's getting windy today and there's more popping and cracking, so I decided to just move it. Now, I've never cut a tree down before, but it does seem to look like it's leaning this way, and the crack right there, I don't know. Much of the weight is going to this side here. So we put it behind that tree in case this thing comes straight down. At least it'll hit the tree first. I don't know. We're gonna go take a walk and look for a new spot. There was a tree survey guy. What do you call those guys? Arborists? He came and marked that tree with some pink paint and there's an S on it. I don't know what that means. But I should have flagged him over and asked him about this tree. Doesn't look good. Yeah, it's just splitting. So if it's split, I mean, it could possibly fall that way, or that way, or that way, or that way, or that way. No idea. But it is leaning this way. Did you hear that pop? Alright, we're gonna go look for a new camp spot. Something without a tree that's been hit by lightning.